Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to add page numbers to PDF files using the ILovePDF app. Just open the app and then you will be here, but go to the tools and here this is this option, page numbers. Tap on it and then choose the file you would like to work with. Don't know, say this one, and now you can customize the page numbers that will appear. I will just make it bigger and let's say it should be red, but there are more adjustments you can do. I will just leave it this way now and click on this red button and wait a few seconds. Now let's see our file. As you can see, here are the page numbers, right? So yeah, that's basically it. I hope it helps.